right, welcome back everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you. Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and we are excited. We got Adrian today. Adrian, welcome, man.
Thank you, man.
Welcome here. You're somewhat of a local in Maryland.
Yep,
not too far.
Yeah, about 45 minutes out, all the traffic.
Thanks for sharing your story with everybody.
Of course.
If you wouldn't mind telling everybody why you're here and how you found us, man.
Yeah, so I've been doing a bunch of research on and off for a couple of years. Pretty much, I would say, tried anything out there, whether it's PRP, finasteride, minoxidil, derma rolling, all that kind of stuff. And haven't really gotten the desired results that I was hoping for. Like I said, I've been doing a ton of research.
Yeah.
This seems to be hands down the best alternative for what I'm trying to achieve.
Yep.
So I'm excited to be here
Awesome,
and get going on it.
Excited to have you.
Yeah.
Excited to have you.
Awesome.
So your priority zone is actually the crown.
Correct.
And you showed me some pictures. You typically have your hair a little bit longer, although lately you've been sort of buzzing it.
Yeah. Yep.
But with the pictures a bit longer, you actually, even though it's a little thinner on the front, it's actually pretty good coverage when it's thinned out.
Yeah.
Or when it's grown out. But I'm having you duck your chin for me so we can see. But it's really the crown that is sort of the problem area. So that's going to be priority one. We're going to focus on that. We are going to go for the plus today. We're going to try to go big.
Okay.
And then you and I will talk, but we sort of, I think, kind of decided what we'll probably do is the crown, skip the bridge area, and then maybe do the first 2 fingers of the hairline, assuming we have enough to do that.
Yep.
But we'll draw everything out and kind of make those definitive priority zones. But otherwise, man, excited to have you.
Yeah, excited to be
Thanks
here.
for doing this, and we'll check in with you. We'll do a little bit of drawing, shaving, and we'll check back in. Okay.
Awesome. Sounds
Cool.
good,
Thanks,
man. Thank you.
All right, we are back with Adrian, and we have drawn out the line, obviously. Done a little bit of shaving, although you couldn't really tell because he kept his hair so short. So, Adrian, I'm going to have you drop your head for me. So, this is sort of the outline we're going to go with. Priority 1 zone is the crown. It's almost shaped like a little teardrop. So, this will be priority 1. We're going to do the first 2 fingers or so as priority 2, and then march back as far as we can go for priority 3. It is more in an hourglass shape, and he's got great density. So we'll cross our fingers to see how much we can cover. Obviously, as I tell patients, it's not realistic to be able to cover the entire head in one shot. But if we're going to do it on anybody, it's going to be you. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed, but we'll see what we can do today.
Awesome.
You doing all right?
I'm awesome.
You excited?
Let's get going.
All right, cool. So we got 1 volume on board. We're going to head next door. We're going to start, and we'll check in a little while.
Awesome.
Cool? All right. Sounds good. All right, we are back. Adrian, you are heading down the home stretch. How you feel, man?
Feel great, man.
Doing okay?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So this has been a long day, but a great day. We got even a little bit more than I was expecting, and we'll show the results at the end. But I'm very pleased. How are you? Having any pain at all?
No, man, we're doing good.
On the moment? Okay,
Yes,
awesome.
sir.
We had some pizza for lunch. Watching Ink Masters, the whole series, it seems like, and we're having a good time. But we'll have probably another 5 or 10 minutes, then we'll check in with you. Okay?
All right, sounds good,
Awesome.
man.
Dr. Blumenthal back with you, and we have finished. Adrian, congratulations, man.
Thank you.
It was a long day, but a great day. I'm thrilled with how it turned out. I'm really excited.
Me too, man.
I love it. I'm going to have Whitney move in real quick and just zoom in. And we got further back than I thought. I thought it was going to be more like 2 fingers. We probably got at least 3, if not even 3.5 fingers in the front. And the crown we absolutely crushed. I'm going to spin you around. And you can see all that big teardrop, and I even extended it up into the bridge a little bit here. I love it. And then we got the scar on the back. That will be nothing once the hair grows back in. It'll look really good. How's today, man? Be honest.
It was a
You
long
can say
day.
the good and the bad.
It was a long day.
Yeah.
Got some great lunch, great staff. I mean, pretty flawless from head to
Good.
toe, I would say.
Awesome.
Yeah, very excited and excited and stoked as the way that it it turned out overall.
Good.
Absolutely. Yep.
Thrilled. Thanks again for sharing your story with everybody.
Yeah, of
Welcome
course.
to the family.
Hey, thank you,
I'll
man.
call you
Thank
tomorrow to check on you. Hopefully
Okay.
we can kind of follow you along the way.
Yeah.
And we'll keep tabs on you along
Sounds
the journey.
good.
All right, man?
Awesome.
Thanks a
All right,
lot.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.